But again, when we're not expecting a change and it's kind of expected to be like a want one, expect smaller moves. Thanks, Jaja. Right. I mean, that's like the story behind the story, right? The Fed cut is nothing actually all that surprising. The choice to not cut right now and the intentions for the rest of the year, but the uncertainty is the Middle East and the international geopolitics of the situation. So it's like, yes, we're having the FOMC addressing it as usual every 6 weeks, but the actual like energy behind it is not what it used to be, especially given this current political situation, climate.
Yeah, that's correct. As a matter of fact, the White House put out a statement that they were going to be easing restrictions on oil here on the states. So, they're doing whatever they can to combat the situation. So, obviously, seems like, the conflict's going to remain.
So what they say about the oil risk?
That the U.S. is going to ease restrictions on drilling and probably fracking here in the U.S. to help, with oil supplies.
Mm, mhm. Oh my gosh, this is the first time ever I think that you can't even see that FOMC happened on the charts. Like this candle is very normal. Wild. We're spot on talking about that in the podcast on Monday. Grizz is reading.
Volatile.
Yeah.
Yeah, the economic projections is basically saying that we're only going to get one rate cut this year and one rate cut in 2027. Yeah, half of the Feds saying none. They don't even want a rate cut. Surprised that nobody said rate hike. I'm still like that. That's honestly what I was expecting. Just the Fed would stick it to Trump and be like, "Well, no, unfortunately, because of what you've done, we're going to have to raise the rate."
Yeah, right. They have a little bit more time here to push back, but they didn't. It's like almost like everyone's just curtailing, keep the peace. Like kind of wild.
Still got 24 minutes before Powell jumps on stage. Well, not jumps on stage, but
I mean, that could be
Come on.
cool.
Ah.
Shows you move. The Bears are pushing back against that first early push. See if we can get any good setups here. So far, I don't see a sign that I like.
On the 5 minute, crude oil just tapped the 200.
We'll see. Poof. Man. I mean, I think we brought it into existence that there's gonna be a nothing burger FOMC. Wah, wah.
It's all about the news. It's all about the news.
Yeah. All eyes are waiting for something actually newsworthy that, when there's no expected change, that's when we get no change. Like, what else?
I would have assumed that the dovishness of the report would have, dumped the market, lack of confidence, no, a single rate cut. I took a short at 24,891.
Nice. I'm gonna wait and see what happens when the press conference starts because I don't know, but we're rejecting off that first push. So,
Yup, I just got a sell signal. Let's go. Or a
right?
sell signal. Yeah. On the 30-second, we're right at the 200 now. Let's
Looks good.
go. Dump it.
Drop
Dump
it, baby.
it. Interesting. Like Bitcoin wants to rip to the upside.
Might be trying to counter it.
Come on, just dump it.
Show us the moves. Come on.
Um, yeah, 7 of the voting members said no cut.
7 out of how many?
Out of 13.
13. Okay.
The outlook on the economy is decent, and the inflation is hotter.
Mm-hmm. Pushing back now. We'll see.
There you go. Mr. Positive, I would open up a ticket with support. Let them know that you won the giveaway. What was that, Monday, I believe, right? Mike had mentioned it, right? So yeah, just open up a ticket, let them know, and they can verify with me. Well, Ron,
Get it
hopefully
wrong.
your magic trick worked. What?
Yeah. Right. You can hold.
Yeah, you should be short in it. I'm short right
Yeah.
now. I went short at 24,891.
Drop, drop, drop.
I'm also stacked oh, there it is.
Go, go,
There
go.
it is. Kaboom. I like that song. My
Hey.
grandma got what was it? My grandma got hit by a bazooka. Kaboom. Kaboom. Have you heard that song?
I don't know. I mean, the reindeer one, of course.
No, no, it's hilarious.
Nice.
Qatar is dealing with the fire. Boom, kapow, boom. Dang bears. Come on.
Come on, follow through. Go, go.
What?
Go, go. We didn't take out the low yet of New York session, but got very close. So that's probably why it bounced just above that. We can go.
See, I told you, I told you guys, it's a catchy song. My grandma got hit by a bazooka. Kaboom. Kapow. You'll like it, Becky. I kid you not.
I probably would.
Crude is pumping hard. Maybe it's at Qatar news. They're dealing with the fire.
Yeah.
I'm still holding shorts. Still holding all my shorts. And I do have some calls, but you know.
Yeah, you gotta watch your risk when you're entering. Like you think about where your stop has to be when you're getting in, and if it's too big, if the move's already progressed too far, you're too late because then your risk is really outsized and it could retrace too much. So talking about with the bars and where you get in at. If you miss a good move, try and wait for a secondary pattern to develop. Yeah, that's the option too. About go small if you miss your ideal entry, size down so that the risk isn't too big on that what you get in on. Yup. See if we can take out the low. Q's a little higher, ES a little lower. Dow Jones is low as well. A little closer to the lows. There you go. You got some wiggle room there, Ron.
Yup. You got to be prepared.
Mm-hmm. Press conference in 10. Let's see what he has to say.
He's going to stay on. He's not going to give up his seat. He's going to raise rates. Here you go, Trump.
He's going to say, I was going to lower the rate, but they decided to start blowing stuff up and they messed up the price of oil. So now everything's inflated. So now we're going to have to raise the rate.
So sorry.
Yep. Coach, Coach Matt did say there was there was a 30 or 40% chance of a rate hike on Polymart.
There was talk of that.
Do it. Do it.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Yep. We're paying attention. Let's see what he shows. All right, still pushing down, still pushing down.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a battle through here. We're like right above a bullish order block.
Yeah,
Trying to get 820.
yeah. Pushing for it.
It looks like a nice spot to go to.
Mm-hmm.
But first, let's mess with everyone.
All right. Let's stress everybody out. Maybe take a couple stops here and there if we can. There we go.
Dual mandate.
Painted the fence on that poly statement. Aw. Writing's on the wall, huh, Matt? Like that money sound. Oh, yes, it's pushing to that 15 the low today.
I like it.
Mhm.
Everyone else looking at their 401ks is like, you're asshole.
Why are you such a shit? Yeah.
Oh, it stopped me out on the trail stop. It's going to go down now.
Uh-huh.
It's
That's what
okay.
she's doing. It's
I'll
not
re-enter.
impressive. Yeah. Okay, now let's stop people out. Yeah. Now let's stop people out. Hmm. 5 minutes. She wants to do a little bounce here ahead of the news.
Mm-hmm.
The words anyway. I think we have a new baseline for boringest FOMC opens. I think today's so far is taking the cake.
No kidding,
Neutral.
right?
The lamest. It's today. Going out with a real lackluster bang here, Powell. Who knows? Maybe I'll pull out something fancy next time.
No less than 2 minutes.
Right here we see. Oh, we got a little tiny push up and then a nice
Yeah.
bears trying. Yes,
Test that
bounce on
London
one.
low.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Now we got to see what's it gonna be. NQ is holding up stronger so far, but they all did a little bounce. What up, Matt? What's up? That's gonna be our whisperer today about reading through the lines between what the press conference says, what his words are trying to
Mhm.
convey. I am not in. I'm waiting to see what it looks like the next few minutes. Yeah. Sitting on
Paul
cash.
just took the podium.
Full mandate.
Economy's
Purple tech.
expanding. Policy's appropriate.
That outlook remains cautious with higher for long-term policy expectations. Wah, wah.
Consumer spending is resilient.
Not impressive, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, are the bears gonna sink it here? I don't know. I don't see a trade yet for me. Ooh. Are they going? Are they going?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Looks good.